Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the highly anticipated OPPO Reno 12 and Reno 12 Pro smartphone that have just launched in China. These phones are all about speed and performance. They have comes with gorgeous 647-inch AMOLED display with super smooth 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for gamers. Under the hood, the Reno 12 Pro packs MediaTek Dimensity 9200 plus processor and OPPO Reno 12 comes with Dimensity 8250 processor. But that's not all. The Reno 12 and Reno 12 Pro comes with up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. Speaking of photos and videos, the OPPO Reno 12 and Reno 12 are equipped with impressive triple-rear camera system featuring 50 megapixel main camera sensor. You will be able to capture stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. And let's not forget about 50 megapixel front-facing camera, perfect for selfie and video calls. The OPPO Reno 12 and Reno 12 Pro are powered by 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging. So what do you think about OPPO Reno 12 and Reno 12 Pro? Let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos.